Hello everyone, I am Zumana. I am a student of IIT Madras and also an intern at IIT MAP. So today we will be unboxing the Sangam box for the speakers. So inside the box, we first have all these precious goodies. So first we have the book of Mr. Ambi Parameshwaran, Marketing Mixology. We have the Co-Intelligence Revolution by Mr. Venkat Ramaswamy and Krishna Narayan. Then we have a beautiful pen. And then we have the silver coin. A jar of assorted cashews. And last but not the least, a t-shirt. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. See you soon.